Welcome to our comprehensive Python tutorial. Today we're exploring Python programming, guiding you from the basics to advanced levels. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial is your one-stop guide. Python is known for its simplicity and readability, making it a favorite among beginners and professionals alike. It's also the preferred language for data analytics and machine learning. According to the TOB Index, Python is the top programming language in 2024, with a significant increase in its rating and usage. So you've made a great choice by deciding to learn Python. If you're new to Python, we recommend following this tutorial step by step. However, feel free to jump to specific sections if you have prior knowledge. Our website also offers additional resources to enhance your learning experience. Python's clean and English-like syntax allows you to focus on business logic, rather than the details of the language. Our tutorials are detailed yet easy to follow, ensuring you can apply your knowledge to real-world projects. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s as a hobby project. It has since evolved into one of the most polished and widely used programming languages. The name Python was inspired by Guido's love for the comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus, appealing to both his taste and his target users. Python boasts numerous features that make it ideal for rapid development. Its code is highly readable, reusable, and maintainable, supporting both object-oriented and functional programming styles. Python's portability allows you to run your code on various platforms without modification. It also comes with a vast array of built-in and external libraries, making it versatile for different applications. Python is extensively used in web development. Frameworks like Django, Flask, and Cherry Pie simplify tasks related to content management and network protocols. In data science and machine learning, Python is essential. It offers tools and models for web scraping, data collection, and algorithm implementation. Python is also a leader in scientific and numeric computing, thanks to libraries like NumPy, SciPy, and Pandas, which provide powerful alternatives to paid software. For GUI programming, Python's clean syntax and dynamic typing support make it ideal for developing complex applications. It powers software like Inkscape and GIMP, as well as 3D animation tools like Blender and Maya. Python's flexibility and ease of use make it perfect for software prototyping. Libraries like Pygame allow you to quickly create and test prototypes before full-scale development. Python is also a popular choice for professional training. Its simplicity makes it an excellent starting point for beginners, and there's a high demand for trainers who can teach both basic and advanced Python programming. Python's non-restrictive syntax and powerful debugging tools like PDB and PUDB make it a joy to work with. You can write clean, efficient code and easily troubleshoot any issues. Installing Python is straightforward, whether you're on Mac OS X, Linux, or Windows. Follow our step-by-step guides to get Python up and running on your system. Python's simplicity, readability, and versatility make it an excellent choice for beginners and professionals alike. From web development to data science, Python opens up a world of possibilities. Start your Python journey today and unlock your potential.